So I want you to join me while I place a live withdrawal of over 1.3 million from this platform called Minipay down to my local bank account. Now, in case you're wondering what Minipay is a crypto platform that enables you to send and receive crypto anywhere you are in the world. Now, the most interesting part of it is that whether you are a freelancer, you can as well make use of Minipay to receive payment as long as Minipay is accepted in wherever you are in the world. All right, now the purpose of this video is to show you how or to place a live withdrawal of over 1.3 million from the Minipay platform down to my local bank account. But in case you are interested in Minipay or you are asking how you can be able to get started, then I recommend you visit your Google Play Store or your App Store, search for Minipay, get it downloaded. Make sure you have your phone number, email address, BVN available, as well as means of identification. What I use in verifying mine is national identification number. Okay, so make sure you have that available. Just know that the registration is very simple to get done and the platform is user friendly. Now let's move over to the reason behind this video. Now I'm going to place a live withdrawal of, remember, over 1.3 million from the platform down to my local bank account. So if this is what you would want to watch, then I recommend you do something for me that is very simple to get done. Now, what is that? I want you to go ahead and click the like button on this video in exchange of the value you're about to get in today's video. And I personally want you to join this beautiful family by clicking on that subscription button. Yes, go ahead and smash the subscription button. But hey, after smashing that subscription button, please don't forget to turn on the bell notification beside the subscription button. Now, you know what the bell notification does? It will always notify you anytime we upload informative video just like this one you're watching. Now, with all this being said and done, I believe you've clicked the like button and I believe you've joined the family by clicking on that subscription button. Let's get into the video, guys.
Once you log into your Minipay platform, this is definitely the interface you are going to see. Now, I am going to proceed to show you how I was able to withdraw over 1.3 million naira from this platform down to my local bank account. So without wasting much time, let's proceed with the video. So the first thing I'm going to do is to click over here that says withdraw. Yeah, so click on withdraw. And once you click on withdraw, you are going to see two options. The first one is saying NGN, meaning that it's like asking you rather if you would want to withdraw the money or you want the money you are going to withdraw to hit your local bank account, right? Yeah, that's what the first option is saying. And the second option is asking rather if you would want the withdrawal you want to make to hit your crypto wallet. Then you can go ahead and choose the second option, but I am going to make use of the first option. Why? Because that is what I want to do and that is the purpose why I'm making this video. So let's proceed to click on NGN. So click on NGN, select the wallet you want the money to go, type in how much you want, then go ahead and click over here that says continue. So let's proceed, guys. Click on continue and it's going to select a particular merchant for you. If you like it, go ahead and click over here that says continue. So let's click on continue. So once you click on continue, it is going to search for a particular agent, or they are going to match you with a particular agent that is going to be sending the money to you. Now the next thing you are going to do once you get to this interface is to go ahead and select the particular bank account you want the money to hit or the withdrawal to go to. Okay, now let's proceed and click over there. So once you click there, you also have opportunity to add a particular bank account that you want if you are yet to link a particular bank account. So you can use this method to add a bank account, but if you have linked, just go ahead and select a particular one. So let me select the first one. Now since I'm done with that, the next thing I'm going to do is to click over here that says initiate withdrawal. Okay, so once you click on initiate withdrawal, they are going to ask you to type your password so they can be able to initiate that particular withdrawal. So let's go ahead and click on initiate withdrawal, guys. So we've clicked on initiate withdrawal and they've matched us with a particular agent that is going to be sending the money to us, which the name of the agent is Isaac. Okay, so let's wait while the money hits our, or while we receive the money using our local bank account. So before that, I would want to log into my OPay account because OPay is the bank that I want to use and receive this withdrawal. So you guys can see the amount I currently have in my OPay. So once the money hits my OPay, then you are going to see it. So let's go, guys. So I've logged into my OPay account, and when you look over here, you will discover that this is the total amount I currently have in my OPay account, which is 604,584 naira 87 kobo. Okay, so since you've seen the amount I currently have in my open, so let's move over to the platform and proceed with your withdrawal. Let's go, guys. If I've got you to this point, go ahead and click the like button. In essence of the value you are going to get, you are getting in this video, because I believe you are getting a whole lot of value. And if you're yet to join this beautiful family, I really don't know what you're waiting for. Go ahead and click on that subscription button, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification. So let's proceed, guys. Okay, so we are back to the Minipay platform, and they say transaction is completed. Now, I always advise, whenever you see this notification saying transaction completed over here, I want you to go to that particular local bank account to make sure you receive the money. If you're making use of any other bank aside OPay, if you get a text message credit alert, I would want you to use your app, log into your app, and then see that money in your bank app before you can proceed, or before you can go ahead and finalize the withdrawal for the platform to release the USDT to that agent that sent that money. You get why, guys? So let's do exactly that. So we are going to my OPay bank, and in order to confirm if we have received this money, let's proceed, guys. So this is my OPay, and of course we received the money. And when you look over here, you are going to see the amount we received, which is 1,378,086 kobo. So I'm going to click open this transaction so that we can see it properly. Let's go, guys. So boom, this is it, guys. 1,378,086 kobo. And this is the name of the agent that sent it, which is Isaac, and it tallies with the name Minipay provided for us. So since we've received the money, let's go back to the platform in order to finalize the withdrawal. Let's go, guys. So we are back to the Minipay platform, and what we are going to do next is to click over here that says finalize withdrawal. So let's proceed and click on finalize withdrawal, guys. So we've clicked on finalize withdrawal. Now the next thing we are going to do is to click all this circle. Okay, the first one says I have received 1,378,086 kobo from Isaac. Yes, we have done that. We've received the money. The second one is saying I have confirmed that the money has been added to my payment method balance, which that is just what we just concluded by checking OPay to make sure the money entered. So we are done with that. And the last one says I authorize cash ramp. Cash ramp is the platform or the merchant that they used to process the transaction or the withdrawal. So I authorize that cash ramp release the sum of $1,000 from my escrow to the agent. So we're going to click here to finalize. So let's proceed, guys. So I'm done clicking on that. So the next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click here that says release USD from secure escrow. So let's click on that, guys. So I've clicked on that, and the transaction has been completed. So what I'm going to do next is to give a review, or to leave a review. So to leave a review, I'm going to click here that says leave a review. Anytime I'm done with withdrawal, I love leaving a review for that particular agent. So let's click on leave a review, guys. So I've clicked on leave a review, and I've gone ahead to click here that says good, and I've also went ahead to type some little comments, which I always type. It was swift because the transaction was swift. So I'm going to go ahead and click here that says submit in order to submit the review. So let's go, guys. So I've submitted the review, and it says over here thank you for your review, and it was awesome. So I'm going to go back to the main page of the Minipay to see the amount that I was able to withdraw, which is $1,000. So let's go, guys. If I got to this point, go ahead and click the like button of this video, and if you're here to join this beautiful family, go ahead and click on the subscription button. Let's go, guys. So this is the main page, and when you look over here, you will see the amount that I was able to withdraw, which is it's showing minus $1,000, and how much we're having total in my Minipay balance is now $342.36. So guys, this is how you can be able to withdraw money from Minipay platform down to your local bank account seamlessly. If you have gotten to this point, click the like button, join the family by clicking on that subscription button. So guys, this is what I have for us in today's video. Cheers.
Hi there, I'm glad you stayed to the end of this video and I really appreciate it. It simply means that you really want to do something about your finance and I'm rooting for you. Now, in case you're looking for more ways you can be able to make money, or more ways your money can be able to make more money for you, or more ways you can actually make money online or even offline without the hustle of bringing two persons that bring two persons that end up bringing extra two persons, then I recommend you click on this video you're seeing on the screen right now. Yes, go ahead and click on the video and I will definitely see you on the other side. Keep winning. Yes, keep winning, comrades, and always have it at the back of your mind that Leo is rooting for you. And until when I'm going to see you on this video, bye, comrade.